Today I have an exhaust that I bought off of Amazon. It was only $250. It's from the Extreme online store. Yeah, I was gonna get a different one. I was gonna get the Remark V1, and I still really like that one, and I might get it down the line. I seen this one at the last minute. It was only $250, and I read some of the reviews, and I even watched a couple videos of the exhaust note, and it sounded really good. So I thought I'd give it a shot. Can't really lose with $250, hopefully. So let's go ahead and open up the box and check it out. I was thinking too, I could probably use the mid pipe off of that Remark exhaust too, the catback part, or the mid pipe part, I should say. Basically like the catback to this part. Not 100% sure whether or not that would work, but if I did buy the mid pipe and it didn't work, then that would just give me a reason to buy the Remark. So see how it looks. I mean, it looked really good in the pictures. Yeah, so it looks like this is gonna be the left side right here. Yeah, it looks really nice. It's got the double wall right here. These welds look decent. I'm not super knowledgeable about good welds, but that definitely does not look bad to me. Plus, I mean, it's not like you're gonna be staring at the welds when it's on the car anyway. But yeah, that actually looks really nice to me. I did really want the titanium burnt tips, but you know, for the price, you can't really go wrong. I was thinking about maybe, if I end up really liking this, I was thinking about maybe getting the titanium tips welded on. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, it feels like it's a good quality here. Maybe I can get a scale and weigh these and weigh that and see what the difference is. All right, so I came up on the front porch. I needed somewhere a little bit more level to weigh everything out. Obviously, this is just the other side. Put this box up on here, and then I'll zero it back out. I'll go ahead and just throw this in here. Assume that we're gonna use these hangers, and if we do not use these hangers, then I'll weigh these with the other part of the exhaust when I reweigh the old one. Okay, so let's see what we got now. So we came out to about 10 pounds. It's gonna be a 14 millimeter right here. Oh yeah, it's on there pretty good. Oh shoot. Alright, so just sprayed these with some PJ Blaster here. Alright, I found myself a short little cheater pipe here. See if this works. Make sure that's pushed all the way down. Oh yeah, there we go. Just need a little bit more leverage. Okay. Might have to stand up for this one. Yep, there we go. That's the last one. Alright, so I got an adapter with an extension here so I can use the 12 millimeter. Gonna go ahead and loosen this all up. So this side is loose. Oh shoot, that one was on there good. Okay. Ooh, there we go. It all just kind of came falling out. Ooh, there we go. Alright, so got that one completely out. I was gonna go weigh that, but I think I'm gonna wait for a few minutes. I'm gonna get this completely installed, then we'll find out exactly what we're not gonna use for that one so that I'm accurately weighing it. I'm not sure whether or not I'm gonna have to remove anything. So let's just kind of see what it's gonna look like here. And then which hangers I'm supposed to use. Okay, so yeah, we're definitely gonna have to put back that other hanger. Yeah, it's tapping, it's touching a little bit right here. So I think we might have to remove a little bit of material from this or just bend it out of the way. You know what, I think we just bend it out of the way here. Okay, so it's gonna sit something like that. And that looks really nice. I just wish that it had a, you know, the burnt titanium tips, but besides that, this thing looks great. On here, that way we can get this off. Okay, there we go. Got that one off. Okay, got that off. All right. Shoot. All right, that went on pretty nicely. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these gaskets on. Okay. Alrighty. See how that looks. Yeah, that's like perfect. Yeah, it's even well centered up and everything. Alright, let's go ahead and make that official. Okay. I'm just gonna leave that a little bit loose so that I can adjust the fitment if needed. So it comes with this hardware, but I don't think we really need too much of this. I'm gonna go ahead and just use these old nuts right here. and I have not drove the car today. I purposely did not turn it on before I did this so that we can get a cold start with the new exhaust. Do that a little bit loose, not too tight, because we want to make them kind of even. I'm liking the way that this all fits. Okay. Yeah, I'm liking the way this looks. $250 exhaust, you can't really go wrong here. And that looks like it's going to be the final fitment right there. Man, that looks pretty damn good for how cheap this exhaust system is. I mean, and it doesn't look bad. I could definitely feel that it's lighter. I guess it all just comes down to sound now. Because this axle back, it's not really going to give us any performance. Even a cat back without a tune, I mean, it's almost kind of pointless. It's more for the sound than anything. But I don't know, if I end up liking this, I might try to see what's up with that Remark mid pipe for it. See if that works. I'm not 100% sure whether or not it will yet. But yeah, we'll find out. So I just slid this on. I already showed you guys that on the first side. I'm gonna go ahead and put this gasket on here. It goes like that. Yep. Just like that. Okay. Got that on there. So these gaskets kind of suck, I think, actually. Probably should have got some better ones. So, yeah, we'll see how long these ones last. I'll go ahead and order some new ones, just in case. I think when we fix that subframe bushing, we'll go ahead and put better gaskets in here. You know what, I should probably leave this one a little bit loose until I get the other side tightened down somewhat. Alright, now I'm going to clean up and drop the core, and we'll get a cold start here. Okay, so before the cold start, I'm going to go ahead and weigh this old exhaust and all the parts that I didn't use. This is everything that I didn't use right here. So we'll go ahead and weigh this up and see what it is. Okay, so it's zeroed out. Go ahead and throw all this back in. Oh wait, all this the first time, plus, you know, what we didn't use. So there's that. This is the old exhaust. Wow. So, I know that's upside down for you guys, but so you can see that's almost 30 pounds there. It's about 28 pounds. So we're saving about 18 pounds because the other one was about 10 pounds. So yeah, good 18 pounds off the rear. Alright, so here we go. First cold start. Alright, so this is the test drive with the new exhaust. Only in Oroville.